Ugh. Hi there. Dinner for one. No fun. Given the fact we are enjoying the fruits of being post-apocalyptic storms here in the California mountains. Yay. So, Mr. Chef's still in the hospital enjoying COVID, which means I'm cooking for one again. So, given the fact I was eating so badly that cheese was becoming a vegetable, gotta be careful about what I eat for a while. So I got some steak. Yeah, not doing French dip with this. Instead, I think I'll do steak and pasta. Doing that for one is quite a challenge. So let's take a look over here. You'll notice my pasta pot is a little bit smaller than it used to be. I got magically preserved pasta in a magic Ziploc bag. Thank you, Mr. Costco, for selling those in bulk. But, you know, how are we going to do the marinara for one? Well, we're going to do a simple marinara, first of all. Yes, I have smashed the garlic. It produces a very strong, almost disgusting flavor when you fry it up like that. And I have a can of store brand crushed tomatoes and my magic container. Oh, my pasta water is boiling. So here we go. Ta-da! Yes, I have effectively preserved a can of crushed tomatoes. Store brand, which in this case is magnificent for some reason. Okay, pasta. The water is boiling. My pasta needs to cook for 10 minutes. Now, I will confess, penne or another short pasta would be a magnificent choice for this. Oh, that garlic smell is enough to drive the rats out of the rafters around here. So I got about a quarter pound of pasta. Yeah, you'll figure it out. It's about a quarter of a box. And like I said, penne would be a lot easier, but I want long pasta for this marinara. And because of the size of my pasta pot, don't look! Yes, I broke my pasta. I sinned. So that's got to cook. Oh, look. I can use part of a package of pasta because I keep it in an airtight bag. Yeah, cooking for one. Just no fun. So, pasta is safe and cooking as I wander off. Okay. Oh, that garlic is nicely, well, it's kind of burning. I better get it out of there quick. Okay, let's turn that off, or turn that down a little. Woo! Wine. You'll notice the vacuum stopper now. Whoa! Yeah, even though I took that off the heat, that's a little hot. And it is subsequently running down the side of the stove. Yes, we're so elegant here. I've been cooking all day, or cleaning all day, so this is a very nice thing I love having happen. So I've got garlic, very thoroughly cooked garlic, a little bit of wine. Oh, my pasta's boiling over. Yeah, this show is real time, real life. All right, so what am I putting in my pasta sauce? Capers. And in this case, I actually want some of the juice in there. Okay, why are you watching a disastrous cooking show? Because disasters happen in everybody's kitchen. Mine, yours. There are jokes about Mario Batali. Whoever you are, whatever you're cooking, things will go wrong to some degree. Sometimes very wrong. Okay, that pasta sauce is actually wonderful. And that's quite an accomplishment given the state of this very dark garlic. Okay. That's good. That is very cooked, but that is good to me. Oh yeah, need some chicken stock. Har har har. Just kidding. So, garlic, smashed and peeled. Darn it. I hate doing that, but there are times when you just do it. Fried up in some olive oil with some red wine that hit a very hot pan, some capers, and some crushed tomatoes. Yeah, life is so rough. That's dinner. Or at least that's the marinara part. As stated, I have some leftover steak from the night before. Yeah, I'm eating less. Cooking for one is quite a challenge sometimes. Pasta in the small pot. Okay, that's good. I'm going to turn up the heat. I think it needs some herbal, so I'll put in some dried oregano. And if worse comes to worse, I can always throw in some butter or some cream. Har, 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 har. When in doubt, add butter. When in trouble, add cream. Okay, that is very good. Very basic. Crushed tomatoes, fried garlic, capers, oregano. Leftover steak. And a Caesar salad. Oh gosh, that's good. So, a little Parmesan, a little lettuce, little homemade Caesar dressing. Yes, I used an egg yolk. I did my magic egg trick. Some leftover steak to go with that Caesar salad. Simple marinara that made a bit of a mess. Yeah, I know that'll never happen in your kitchen, trust me. Oh God, that's good. And throw that over some pasta cooked in a much smaller pot with my magic colander for one. Yep, that's dinner tonight. So, when you're alone and you have some leftover steak, keep an eye on your pasta pot or pasta sauce pan because it might get a little hot. But most of all, remember, you gotta eat. Don't use cheese as a vegetable, which is where I was going there for a little while. Eat right, be healthy, think of the ones you love. And as this is social media, please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.